This channel is really focusing on growing revenue and growing brand for your business. The first thing that we are going to do, if you have an Instagram account and you are very dependent upon where you're located. Hello, welcome back to Grow with Morgan. I am Brandy Morgan, and today we are talking about Instagram tips, specifically if you are a location-dependent business, whether you're a service-based business, spa, hair salon, nail salon, maybe you do lashes. I'm really thinking in the beauty space because I work with a lot of beauty clients, but also if you're a restaurant, coffee shop, you're a location-dependent business, meaning you need patrons coming into your door so you can actually grow your revenue that way. That's what I mean by a location-based business. I'm going to be going over Instagram tips for you to help drive traffic to your location so you, the business owner, can make more money and of course grow your online footprint in the location in which your business is. I hope that makes sense. So before we dive into this video, this channel is really focusing on growing revenue and growing brand for your business. The first thing that we are going to do, if you have an Instagram account and you are one of the many businesses that I listed and you are very dependent upon where you're located. So we're going to pull up our Instagram on one of these sides, and in your title, which is the very first line on your Instagram profile. So go there now, pull up your phone, pull up your business. I'm sure you have the name of your business right there, right? The one thing that you want to add here is your location. So for me, I'm located in Winter Park, Florida. And if I had a coffee shop here in Winter Park, I would literally put Winter Park Coffee Shop or Winter Park and the name. Why? Because that right there, that title is actually a search term. Those are keywords that are utilized for Instagram for when people search. So you would want to have that location in there. Maybe it's Orlando, Tallahassee, New York. So many different locations that you could put there, but wherever your business is located, you would want to put that location somewhere in your title. And then also, it doesn't hurt to put the keyword for what it is that you do. If you're a hair salon, you could put best hair salon in Orlando, or nail salon or lashes, something that people would be searching for, so then your profile would appear when they're searching. Because for me, if I'm gonna go to a spa or go get my lashes done or my nails done, I'm gonna wanna look up their Instagram, or I'm gonna wanna find you based on your Instagram photos so I can see the work that you've done, especially for lashes. Let me know if that's you or if you're a lash business. I totally get it, but that's something that you can actually help get into more eyes and more people in the city or the town that you live in just by doing that one simple thing, adding keywords and adding your location to the title of your Instagram. The second part of that is your handle. So your Instagram handle can only be changed a few times. They say you can change it as many, but I've had difficulty actually doing that. So if you're gonna change your handle, make sure you know what you wanna change it to. You could also add the location to your handle as well. I prefer, and what I normally tell people do, is just make it the name of your business. The name of your business is the best way because that's also a search term right then and there. And then your title can be those other keywords that you want. But it doesn't hurt to put keywords in the name of your business as well, especially if you're a coffee shop or you do lashes or hair or whatever. You can put that in your handle. Things to avoid though on your Instagram handle are periods and underscores. Instagram search does not like those things, so just keep them out. Just have it one flowing thing. I know people like to put the dots to separate it. Please don't do that. That confuses the Instagram search. So leave those out, just make it one big word, and your business will then show up in search for there as well. Number 2, a big change that has happened in 2021 is around hashtags on Instagram. They say you should really only be using 15 hashtags instead of the normal 30. In those 15 hashtags, you want to make sure that you have a few hashtags that you're always using. And if you're a location-based business, it should be, you guessed it, your location. If you're in Orlando, I'm gonna be using that a lot because that's where I am. You would want to use Orlando, Florida, or maybe your Orlando hairstylist, or Orlando med spa, or med spa Orlando. Those are actual keywords and those are actual hashtags that people use and people search for. So you would want to make sure that you put those in the hashtags for your posts. The next thing that you want to do is tag your location. You want to tag your location when you're ready to post. This does not mean your actual business location, which you can do. I do recommend alternating those. You would want to tag the actual city that you're in. Therefore, you can show up under those city tags because every specific city, tag, state, whatever, they actually have posts that will follow on their own feed. So by tagging the actual city that you're in, your business will pop up on there if people are looking under that city for things to do or places to go based on that location. The next thing that you would want to do is inside of Instagram, you have advanced settings when you do a post. There's a thing called alt text. If you're like me and you come from the web development or even the SEO space on the web side of things, you should know what alt text is and what an alt description is when it comes to photos. This is where you tell Instagram what the photo, what the post is about. You can also put the location in this description and in this text spot as well, as long as you're actually saying what is in the post and what is in the image. There's no problem with saying Orlando, Florida, or wherever it is that you're located in that alt text, because you are then telling Instagram that this is what this post is about, and also this is where this post is located. Last but not least, when you are doing stories, so when you're sharing your posts or you're just doing general stories, you always want to make sure that you tag a location, the city primarily that your business is located in. Why? Well, cities have their own stories as well, where they will share the stories that appear when people tag them. So you want to make sure you're always tagging those cities in which your business is located. And a quick bonus tip for you, include hashtags. Instagram likes between 2 to 3 hashtags per story. What I like to do for my clients is I will have 2 hashtags that are specific to the post and the business, and I will have one that is a location hashtag like Orlando, Florida, or Orlando business, or Orlando med spa. You get the idea. You would want to create a list of these specific hashtags that you can use as you do stories throughout your day, throughout your week, and as you're planning content. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, once again, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's something more specific that you want me to get into for a future video. Have a great day.